Hello, future whalers, and we are on to this FuzzFeed quiz project. You're designing your own FuzzFeed quiz. I don't know if I can say the name. You know what site I'm talking about. So what you're watching right now is this video over here, and then we have got your first step is to create the actual questions that you're going to be answering, because you don't want to be thinking of these questions while you are writing the code. It's just too many things to think of at once. So using this template that I have created for you, you want to go through and you're going to write the questions. If you've never taken a FuzzFeed quiz before and you know which site I'm talking about, you should try it. Go there and test it out. But essentially, a lot of the quizzes will say, take these tests or pick certain cakes and we'll tell you what character you are or how old you're going to be when you meet your true love or what thing you should eat for dinner. So what you have to do is choose one question and then have answers, and then you need to choose a result. So the results are basically going to be the same for each question. There are 4 options. You could either be A, B, C, or D by completing this. And I'll show you what I mean in a second, because I have created an example one for you that will tell you what kind of bender you are based on the show Avatar: The Last Airbender. So how this quiz works is that we have some questions here, and let me zoom in a little bit. So we have a question that says, it's dessert time and you've whipped up your favorite treat. What have you made? Each of these answers corresponds with a different type of bending: air, fire, earth, or water. And each of them has been given a value 1, 2, 3, or 4. Now they are always going to have the same value. So air in the second question is still 1. Fire in the second question is still 2, but I moved them around just so it's not that A is always air bending, because that's not what we want to accomplish with this. So you need to find out a subject that you want to make a BuzzFeed quiz about. Maybe it's, oh, I said it. I said the name. Shoot. Maybe it is what office character are you, or what sport are you? And you got to design 4 questions that have 4 possible outcomes. And these outcomes should be the same as for each one of these. So that's how you're going to start your process. That's the very first step. You are going to make a copy of this template. How you do that? Very easy. Where you go over here, you go File, Make a Copy, and you'll be able to make a copy of this quiz for yourself and use that template. After you use that template, watch this first tutorial and I'll show you how to set up your FuzzFeed quiz in idle on Python. And then you will get some further steps. We'll do a little check-in, and then on the 4th step, you're going to finish up that tutorial, and then you're going to have to submit both your FuzzFeed questions and your .py file here. All right, that is it. If you have more questions for me, please feel free to shoot me an email. I am available anytime. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you later. Bye.